Focus Salt members, Panginoon. Marami pong salamat sa patuloy na pagbasbas sa grupong ito, Panginoon. Tunay nga po, Panginoon, na nagagalak ang puso ng bawat isa sa amin dahil ito at batid namin, Panginoon, na ang gawain namin ito ay para mapapurihan kayo, magpalakasan ang bawat isa.
Hapon po sa ating lahat. At nagagalak po ako sapagkat sa kabila ng pagkakataon na ito ay nagkasama-sama tayo, kompleto.
Just praising the Lord.
Wherever I go, you're faithful and true.
The mountain is high, but you will take me high. The valley is deep, but you will take me through. The river is wide, but you will take me over. There's one thing I know, wherever I go, you're faithful and true.
Holy is the Lord Almighty. Only you are worthy, worthy of it all. Praise and glory, honor and strength unto our God, matchless, endless, love unrestrained. This is our God. Every time.
From the start, marami tayong pagsubok na siya. Pero patuloy pa rin tayo. Pinupulot pa rin natin para maayos natin hanggang sa tayo mag-forgive.
Love unrestrained. This is our God. Every tribe sing.
Together. We all get there together.
Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, ah. We sing. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, ah.
Pinakita natin na pagsama-sama tayo ay isa. Kung kanya-kanya tayo ng pamamaraan, hindi tayo makakabuo ng ating mga gawain. Pinapakita din na pag tayo sama-sama, kaya ay makakagawa ng ating gampanan.
Wala kang katulad, O Diyos. Wala kang katulad, O Diyos. No hay nadie como nuestro Dios. No hay nadie como nuestro Dios. There is no one like our God. We sing. There is no one like our God. There is no one like our God. There is no one like our God. Praise and glory, honor and strength unto our God, unto our God. Your matchless, endless, love unrestrained. This is our God. Every tribe sing. Praise and glory, honor and strength unto our God, unto our God. Your matchless, endless, love unrestrained. This is our God. This is our God. Ayo, 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 ah. 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 Ayo,
Focus Salt, sisters, we love you.